3 days and counting, teachers protest for yet another day, warn of more disruptions. Landmark gang trial comes to an end, more than a dozen persons found guilty. And mechanic pleads guilty to murdering St. Catherine woman.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it's another evening of those red arrows, which we do not like. Gas prices are going up, and I'll give you the details later in the business day.
And Jermaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Giovanni. The West Indies bowlers, they fought back on day one of the second test against host South Africa. We'll tell you about that and lots more a bit later on.
I quite liked the weather today. It wasn't too hot. So I wonder what's happening. Here's Romain with a preview of what's to come in the weather news and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Yes, it wasn't as hot. We do have an invasion of clouds from the southwestern Caribbean moving across the island, and we do have some isolated showers embedded within those clouds. We'll take a look at more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, how has the protest action by teachers impacted you?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.